아단 대원이도 즉 때디 전화라는 것이 두어시도 드네 시 떼기를 하시도 대원이 나로네 당보된 마시고 디슈에 맞아 롭센 도도 담반에 꾸지 롭센 디드나 니워데 임바나 드나 당보된 이미 따로지 아 아까시 강 양자 권이 뜻이ရောက်기도 제는 번에 앙아드 디저스타메디 디저강에도 저거 두자 लगमे 돼 있네요 디저 깽기 돼야 맞을 겨와 라벨 테스트 강에 튀기도 라 이제 다 뜻이 기기에 가냐 계라도든 망고 저거 뭐든 뒤꾸어도 야부셔 중소 하나 저도 꾸기 계라 뒤워 튀겨디 다링에 강사 권두기 라 메드 니 링하다 니가 두기 아드네 시리즈 나오지 The statement 같이 만나들 7 times the number added to 5 is equal to 33 or is 33 or makes 33 little or gives 33 little. When we add 7 times the number by 5 we get 33 little. Right? Okay. That is solve chiga dollar 33 solve chiga dollar. ये 당고 매드 링아 중다. 링아 중다 nga tong n gi vel self. Right. n vel self dollar n den new rela 7 n ba. The tewa kare 5 do ko measo. The step 링아 da kare 당고 ko measo dollar nga integer sign this am down. Plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. measo 동바서라 measo 예스라고 들었어요라고. 지나 당아 tewa kare plus 5 do ko measo라고. measo라 nga 7 and plus 5 태워가래 아 태워 메어스디 다 웨잉 벨 찍어 대 주고 대 뉴나 버지들레 뉴 땅으로 33 minus 5 니가라 초 니가라 나가가 뉴 땅 태워 다 태워나 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 0 주고야만 세게 막 갔다 we get 7n is equal to 다 숨서숨 내가 마태 we get 28 라 and the dula ni subgera ta and chila khazara ta din ko fi din kya 7 and din ki ba step chi lang so ga de chik se la and chik ve se la ni ga din tu chi cut we get n is equal to 4 that is step jinga the transpose page ta na ni de tina 7 n plus 5 is equal to 33 or transpose ba step dine mo de sam dang ko de so de plus na Podcast na minus check realize 7 n is equal to 33 or plus opposite minus 5 or id di chibo de dele so diodi dele ode ta ga shege chome di dela 7 n chibo di tewa de do di ti mo ga sam dang wo which is equal to 7 n is equal to 28 ta n la multiply chine park na divide chigo de n dine dele sam dang ode step dela 니가 눈이 뒤 먹었습니다. 지다 n la send multiplication opposite division race. 지다 가서 n 지고 샷 this steps 더 니메어서 거대. n is equal to 4. 들리죠? 다 뒤에 니어디 카르토나. this is like 페이지 뒤에 되셔. 이게 됐나? 5z plus 1 divided by is equal to 가지도 is equal to 7 3 is equal to 7 okay 다 되래 되지 거다 가상아도 또 연말 되게 게임했더니 지네 라다 되는데 봐 5z 3 니가 라 1 니가 라 3 divided 라 그 expression 될라 솔치라 칼로 니 때문에 되지 생게 되 니가 줘 매드 니 줘 매드 니는 아니 데슬 깨라기 거리 내라 되베 담로지 된다 당고디 가르냐 5z upon 3. Then this is what fraction comes about 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 dusna must do 1 plus 3 or 2 did do this good. 당한테 내 파벨. 자, plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 7 this 파벨. 5z upon 3. That the third part transpose. 7 minus 1 upon 3. That denominator 1 is the denominator 찍고 means what? Denominator 찍었어요. So denominator L 3로 you multiply by 3 you multiply by 3. You multiply by 1, you multiply by 1. Check na. Then it land 5z upon 3 is equal to 21 minus 1 upon denominator 3. So 5z is equal to upon 3 is equal to 20 upon 3. There are there. Z la 3 divided to the division part in the 5z is equal to 20 divided by 3. Division part multiply the cut in the gallagher. 3 1 3 3 1 3 cut. 5z is equal to 20. Therefore, z is equal to they multiply to the multiplication opposite division. Z is equal to 4. That's the report. Now the fraction to me the so the equation solves the cotton lela young the person 5z plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 7. The 5z plus 1 la 3 the common denominator. Common denominator. They divide the pagina multiply. So the 5z plus 1 is equal to 7 multiplied by 3. Common denominator. Denominator low na the common denominator. Niga taguza tangu di measo. So the 5z on z those 2. 2 row check the plus 1 is equal to 21. Equation bet lela change so 5z is equal to 21. The plus pagina minus 1. 5z is equal to 20 and z is equal to 20 divided by 5. And z is equal to 4. So the case of the method you made a neater. Chick page to common denominator correct. Chick to standard. And this time dollar and fraction to make test test card. The day in the body in a fraction measure denominator common division opposite multiplication per measure and denominator. The go with some integers chart. Integers is not solved the Lela root. Or this way. That thing is the Bolang of the day, take care of the Mutin that the what the pose the manner of Mutin Dashan dish. Right, love the tropic Ashela to the Gawachi to the Scala Royal. Shake you what the bug you need. The linear class 8 love it stress on cross multiplication jar. Cross multiplication Pachamana, you know, simple equation to that. Okay. Just another button as the jungle day, the Angin Angini. The next will stress on ratio. The big continuation check, I will give out to you. The ratio never compare. The pension ratio did not change. The sum of two numbers is 55 and the ratio is 3:5. And find them. What's that long years? Check current ratio la color summer. Someone ratio the China. Ratio period and duller to that dura. Dura color summer. A pension thing you do na. Take time I challenge time take your dukes to that. Oh, this is the net in mountain. Yeah. Oh, this thing. That ratio color awesome the current chick comes out. Chash Nabogi Maul Druller. Kuniba ratio to the ratio to this. Durka to the Jansa or the ratio part to part list. Chick Karna or Nabodigi or the Kanza into the Nakasoli des love. Find the ratio boys in the class to the class strength. Then the Puda, the Nepu, ratio part to the whole later. Think the ratio of boys and ratio of girls in the class, part in the part. Then I'll put the Pumik ratio to Chick, then I'll put a Zinaganza, then I'll Pumuda, Zinaganza, part to whole later. Chick, Zinaganza, put a whole to part lower. Ratio color some part to part. Okay, Chashi to this. Oh, Chashigi Ganzala. Ganzagi part to this. Okay, those two here. The ratio 3:5 and guessing a linear equation collect Kabuena, Kizuki, unitary method pitch down, ratio pitch down due. They get into watch out, ratio. 3:5, they are doing it, they do that. Okay, dinner. The sum of two numbers is 55 and their ratio is 3:5. 3:5. Okay. They did with 3 in Banala, they did with 5 rail out. Gangza chick ni som si nga to get Gangza chick to get out. 너무 계단에 차시 솜날 찍을 차시 솜날 찍이 솜에서 찍을 차시가 찍이 솜시가 차시 솜제 찍을 차시가 도슬 찍이 솜직체 라 찍이 솜시가 차시 그 3:5 도슬 돼 걔는 너무 가서도 걔는 너무 계도아 너만에 쫄 파르 가서래 8이었어 제가 리니 그 심마시나 두어디 가르스토나 당부 파르 당부는 3/8 너무 part 2 whole 되게 answer 가더래나 아니 오케이 dumbu가 되더래 55 오케이 다디 간트 가서 세스 part 2 whole 봐라 다디 concept 디 나서 topic linear equation 봐 linear equation topic 대 도면다 다디 fraction 레트 대 두어딩에 테스트 되게 fraction 되게 키하미도 라 오케이 first part 가서 가져네 number tang de bane ye number tang lowest ratio de ba khaten lowest form tew okay agi 가서 메싱 말이 그게 인도스나 3/4 도스나 컷 나래 3:4 디 ratio de ba 3/4 equivalent 가래 30/40 is it 라 okay 12/16 is it 또 상마 가래 되려나 12/16 ला 12 divided by 4 16 divided by 4 this later then 3/30 divided by 10 40 divided by 10 or 10 this later 제가 concept common factor 디 거리 디와이드 지금 하고 오면 돼 ratio 3/4 제가 common factor 거리 디와이드 지금 시면서 common factor 디 x 장 디와이드 제가 answer 되는 fraction 리도 이게 또 셔. Sum of two numbers. Let two numbers ratio 봐. ratio 가서 3:5 때 도와. 쉽게 ratio는 let be 3x and 5x or 3a and 5a. 이 common factor 디 거리면 식면서 common factor x 뭐 차샤로. 딱 건순이 넘나가서래 돼. 앞중 양아래도. 자, 3x plus 5x is equal to 55. So x 나가라 x 좀 디 든다 가 3x 든다 가래 x x2 x 좀 넘거래서 5x 든다 양양알 x x2 x3 x x가 넘거래서 또 total x 가서 넘도했어 하나 나가 두든 게 so get 8x 저 도디 가래 you add the coefficient 5 plus 3 8 거리 8래 x 8래 55 therefore x is equal to 55/8 The parts of the find number. Therefore, two numbers are 3x ala did you 55/8 and 5x ala you multiply 55/8. Okay, you multiply. Cut lowest cut time you multiply. We get 165/x8 right 15 and you multiply, you get 275/8. Okay, this is number need. That fraction is okay. That then you h constant, right? H constant h ni ma tu da. Okay, then you do the last ni dikiro. Ne dikiro. Somgi is 3 years younger than Yiga. The ages are in ratio 5:6. 다 가서 din allo 치면은 somgi yiga le lo somgi shambare chunga rela shambale ma chunga res ra ngazi assumption dikina equation disogo ra guessing azigi what equation subamna ngazi gaandila equation what assumption chigo the what assumption the now ratio na lo solve na starting meza yenge 당고 ratio na assumption ni ya ga duda ta concept chu puching ate ratio ten shike common factor x a b c ri khari ne dida 그다음에 되어되나 되어되나 너네 담은게라 이 레시오 기준이야 5:6 더돼 레시오 오케이 딥하기 레시오 점기 총하자 오케이 점기 let hb and equals y it do y I do dinallah y I do yeah 이가 있을지요. 오케이. 다 나머지 점기냐래자 점기다 이가 점기디 5래 이가디 6 레쇼 민 가능냐는데 각각도 그저다. 이제 점기 5x 기나 이가 6x 기라. That the equation is delela죠. Zomgi is 3 years younger than Yigalar. 제가 Zomgi Yigale 찍었어요. Yigalole 로스무 용아래서 10. 야만 Zomgi plus 3 is 우리 Yiga 텐데. 야만 Yiga minus 3 is 우리 Zomgi. 오케이. 다 되는다. Zomgi 하다 5x is equal to Yiga 6x minus 3. 당하대 x2 될 x2 x 한번 초치를 끼인다. 5x. The plus again minus 6x is equal to negative 3. So negative x equals to negative 3. Cut. So x is equal to 3. x3라서 다 이 점기 넣어더래. Therefore 점기 넣어더래. 5x. x will be 라서 5 multiplied by 3. 15. Yes. Yeah. 이가 6 to the 6 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 18. So the next two should be. That the ratio change ratio next ratio convolution to that. The ratio coral topic mangwar class 8 topic mangwar. The knowledge mana. So ratio to the money topic dollar and initiation. Okay. So that ratio mounting at the march in South Shelton ratio chimana. Now that did it. Brown type the matude. The two numbers are in ratio 5:3 if their difference is if they differ by 18. I'm going to an example stuff ratio. Park of Shigan Parker is some gear, part some Najasum, Angi Tango chair and the Chunga. You are the part of Shiga. Ratio test na let. Come Freddy variable shall song 5 Asia next 3 Asia and Shenda and a sentence 62 sentence Mamma Taylor pair. Okay. That the card if they differ by difference Keva the job get dollar Agi Chedi chairs Chungade Chunga wrestler right Chunga Kazu Chungane Chungade Jogares. Kunipa Keva the job get wrestler. The larger number minus smaller number is equal to 18 are there. Tanga yi lower need two variable chart. Class 11 is 8 like one variable is a one variable. Tanga larger number 5a, small number 3a chart. So 5a minus 3a is equal to 18. You subtract a ngane is so maten. Ta a gasolas a ni laswa ni is equal to 18. Okay, that's the dividing 18 divided by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 9. The number is a larger number. Therefore, two numbers are taking a larger number. Is equal to 5 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 45. A small number is equal to 3 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 27. Then the answer due to me that 10개다. 10개네. 인섭이 맞텐다. 10장하라고 다. 10장은 인섭이 맞대. 즉 정안에 둔데나 개. 즉 좀게 따다라도 안에 difference it differ by 18. 그니 봐. 개와디 좀게 요와디. Number system 나 ratio나. 다 ratio change 하면 두 ratio 디 아니 geometric 망고치가 되월래 두. geometrical part 망고치라. 라. 자, 내인데 뭐 담응에 triangle 치나 triangle 같이 말하는 example 얘들나. each angle. 그래서 triangle concept 가려고 그래. 띠하고 시행을 다 triangle angle 좀 더 가질 얘기래. 띠다 못 시행을. 아, 저기 겨 시기라 든 뭐잖아. 든 뭐이나 저기 시행마시 하고 막 하여튼 두 번 시우 triangle 걸 things of me. Okay, triangle now angle sum the and x degree, 3x degree, and 4x degree in Bashashala. In Baina, and angle measurement, angle rate measurement says. Benching a triangle to Stena. Okay, the x, okay, 3x, and 4x rays are there. The triangle radic value says angle A, B, C, or the three angles are shared today. Angle do some domna casually. Triangle angle sum domna casually. Angle sum probably triangle is sum of three interior angle equals to 180 degree. Right? The angle now sum domina get the casually rays like that. Okay, that is shadow. No. Chendimba x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180. That degree some degree degree thing in that. Angle sum property of triangle. Right? That's in angle sum of triangle. Triangle na angle sum domna get the casually rays. The x sum the x chigala sum dom c gala c dom. Right? And in lela you want the dick naso. There's thick of lela. Yeah. Okay, that's in that. Right. So you get 9x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 divided by 9. X is equal to 20. Find the measurement of each angle. Angle ratio, therefore, three angles are. R and x of 20 degree. Next, 3 multiplied by 20, which is 60 degree. And next, 5 multiplied by 20, which is 100 degree. Okay. Then you answer do the thing with the angles on dom. Dom get the gauge out to get the gauge out of the digger. The angles and property either linear, but the ratio tend to go the ratio. The angles of three angles of triangle are in the ratio 2:3:5. Find the measurement of each angle. The ratio the second also common factor the a variable thing you are I did you work in there. Check it ratio kina. Let three angles BT any ratio you 2:3 the ratio 2:3:5 in the 2x 3x and 5x. That must say the angles sum domna hazard is equal to 180 degree. And the machine set to Matumenda. Rather ratio dinner. The quarter little doina has a lead. Angle cheek, angle knee, angle sum, angle sheet domna has a lead. Angle sheet domna is equal to 360 degree. I say the four angles the angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. Therefore, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Domna at 360 degree. I'm going to shake my throat. Then it was the H layer to the tomato. H drinking the reason of the girl don't shoot H the perimeter that don't shoot. Okay. So the age to the body, Sering is 14 years older than Doji. Some of the ages is 47, so 74. What are the ages now? The course is some present age hours. And never I think the bullet to the girl did the escalator, and one which is the bot the girl the lemur. So now I let Mangu to the Kalakaru. Shake him up Sering. Sering check as Bakodo. That Doji do today. Oh, do to soon. Present in a cousin date. Present. Past. And future. Ago. Later. Lido. Oh, Chibar. But that's not two comes up present shower. Sering is 14 years younger than Dojin, but Sering de Dojile, Lochipsi, Shembaris, Yamar Chungares. Mazu word from the bunny, Mazu Tomzi Lela, the Tensile Tomzi Lela. The Lela you did the body, Mazunga Tomzilla water. Janazu gets the Tomzi Lela. The word from the Katine, Chungan Ezumchi. I checked the boy. Jatana Sering is 14 years younger than Dojin, but Sering Chungara, 3 lo 에즈인지. 3 present number 3x나 다 도지 가서 채워 됐어. 도지 x plus 14 채워 됐어. Sum of the ages 얼마? 딱 본인이 너 넘어야 나서. 도지 3 넘어야 든든 채워 됐어. Sum x plus 14 is equal to 34. So we get 2x. x plus x, 2x plus 14 equals to 74. So 2x is equal to 74 or minus 14. Therefore, 2x is equal to, you subtract, we get 60. Really? Therefore, x is equal to 60 divided by 2. That's what you do. That's x, that's it. Therefore, string is equal to x of 30 years old, right? And logi is equal to 30 plus 14, which is equal to 44 years. The age go to another. That is 5 times as old as some of the ages is like the string is 5 years more than 22 age to that symbol. Yes, stress it when it didn't do what awesome. That to give 1 month chipu chicken. 1 month. That then it Yigi age ki kale khao dunda. Digital up to perimeter to pagi. Age ki kale khao do. Kamaji kwa kamaji. That page thông rồi. Okay. Now the age from Kalekauto. Age from Kalekauto là tầm bao this basic test đó. Technique the test đó là anh thấy là ba bộ from pa cái đó. Okay. Ta age thì số什么ta? Số什么? Thằng đó số lúc khác gì mà nên đó. 5 years ago. Okay, so look how check do. This is that. Right. That is 5 years later. Okay. Long 제가 가서 check do. This is something. 단다 로 봐요. 단다 계속 로 쪽수면 뭐 check인다. 계속 로 쪽수면나. 롱랑이라 가서 check do. 쪽수면네. 나마 땡기로. 이게 8. 롱랑이라서. 롱랑 제가 가서 check do. Right, you don't need to. Sajing, you sign, you saw some, you sang to run, you don't need sound. Sending ba Tandalo Josum, Josum Gala, Madam Gura. No matter you get lots of gets. Longa Jellica, lots of Longa Yellica, Logia Carichase, Tandalone, Longa Matensa. Or lots of get Carichase, Tandalogala, Longa Tomuda 5 years later than Ba. Chibuchi get. That gets a lot of the machine. Or the yellow thing that. Yellow kids among which single man. Tell yellow shimmer, yellow, and Gelas law. Gelas H, ra. Yellow shimmer. That anybody, that long yellow condition. Long, Chibuchi your castle and the law cousin with the chamber, or Chibuchi depot. Gelat and the law of the door, and the door. Or the Mamma 5 years later, Gelalo and the door. And the door. Angala, madam. Carolot and the Josmina, Josmina, or I did you which again. That Dickine, that she needs on the word from Pado. Okay. Paula's age is 3 times in the Tamud, Jodin or you other the Tiwang Chimena. Chick, ni, some. That is a ratio to the law. Jamusum da, some not only a tojic nanga. Or Kenzige did the equation of up to the ta, and did he what to some now. Pala's age is 3 times his son's age. Power the Pugda. Okay, power the Puginza, you shake it. 2 to 10 two variable color ni is mara ni the problem ni the ba the pung ni the ba the go china the soft lela do two variable the go chwa and now one variable in the money test soft kala kha la problem so china shi dos pate de okay sun pala to sinda okay shi dos te okay ta kaduni kima the present re past and future chat hota past kar do present kar do pala is 3 times his son's age rather de ta bugul lo shingo re chungara chungda assume china pala shen do shen also got times ne the fraction le do nyung ga shi do son is 1/3 of father's age to ang fraction de kale kar go julo asamda jente pala's age is 3 times his son's age 10 years ago like samada tang de samada 단다 빨라 디 부들레 너 답숨 요래라 답숨 망할 나와 말 부글로 가전이 디 답숨 요래라 부글로 정하나 빨라 정 십생하셔 라트리면 부글로 니슈나 빨로 두지 차루라 23 times 60 라 부글로 주이나 빨로 숨지 차루라 어들 빨라 is 3 times son's age 자 부글로 신면서 부글로 액션이다 답 빨라 가서 차루래 빨라디 3 만블라시라 3 만블라 3x that's some 3 times then but this what that is sentence new 10 years ago let you gone last that ago later 10 years ago let you nghe last let you nghe ta palde pudi let you mangare let you nyungar 10 years ago lo chu nyungara ta ni don chu ko shewala dan lo ni don ni shinde lo chu chungai de dan lo extra x ne 10 ma the pal de dan lo 3x re deni ma chu ma the slap de tron chu chen lo chu na lo nga ni present age ma thank you n minus 5 lo nga gel n plus 5 to so ta de le na to ma lo chu in ba ni ga chu chu ma the lo chu nga len ba okay ta de bu de le ta de le shin is equation so sam da lo chu nge la la father is kato 5 times the son's age pala dealer linear equations equations or son's age level pa de pugu dig lole tap nga che relar tap nga res la pugu lol tap nga res father is 5 times son's age ta longa gi ni lo tida lo chu ni pa dira 3x minus 10 pugu di 5 times 30 and pull up 10 years ago x minus 10 that is okay that equation solves 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 50 that x 한번 쓰기인다 다가 뒤지시 경입니다 마이너스 속에는 플러스 온다 so get negative 2x is equal to negative 40 x is equal to negative 40 divided by negative 2 got with x is equal to 20. Okay, x 20. So, lo ni shire son. Therefore, son's present age. The present da. Present age is 20. Ta pa ka shire. Present age is equal to 3x da 3x minus 3 multiplied by x of 20 da. So it's about lo tukjure both lo nishur. The lo digdo dim lo ngang la khazuta. Lo chungela, both lo chungela tore nishuni chumate. Chuchasa, part and lo tukjur da, tukjun chumata. Mabju. The 10 kazugi 50 day. 10 5 is 50 ra. Oh, it's 5 times the son's age. Like later say. Okay, that can be to new the debit try that. Debit letter to that. Amla and Dorothy. To new debit letter to that. You come a chick show. The debit lenka. So to my debit letter. Okay. Ngắt theo sâu rồi. Thì bà thứ sai mà. Thế nghe cái gì mình ta. Okay. That now got daughter and ama do. Okay. Ama. promoting the daughter. Pomo ama. 계속 걸레라죠. 보면 아마나. Right. Okay, Amma is 4 times as old as her daughter. 4 times. 답시요레스 라. 실로 답시요레스 아마디 고란 보물레 답시요레스. 보물로 쭈이나 바로 십지체그레스. 보물로 nga이나 아마서 아마로 니시체그레스. 보물로 쫑아이나 아마로 두시체그레스. 다 4 만들어 지도 4 times 4 times 봐. 지당 가서 또 보물디기 present 신고 말아. 저 present y 신다. 나? 다 보물로 쭈인데 봐. 10나 4 tens are 40 lidwa or 10 4 만들어 지다. 지금 지금 되는 말이지. 4 y this man which that's it. After 10 years, after 5 years, did Roma, I go to Roma, past Roma, the letters. Letter longa gel longa gel niga cherdu chungdu. As someone so someone longa janga comes, Tananga in a given longa janga in a call leader. Tananga in to go in longa jets in a call leader. This someone in the longa jella, Kotor the Mount Duda, why? Cousin Mount there. ngay mount do okay ta chi bujing del amelo tanda dires ama longa gi mount dollars tanga longa gi imbe kapso a comparison detailed today longa gel do amala will be 3 times as old as tolma amala khachirna amadi pomolo 답숨 당겨도 찍고 차그래라 보면 답숨 당으스나 아멜로 찍고 차그도 equal to sign 찍송으로라 찍고 차그도 송다 송봐 오케이 다 아멜로 가래 4y plus 5 is equal to 3 대샤 아니 y plus 5 다 디비드 레슨 늘망 어서 지도라 백을 뭉치니 4y plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 3 5 15 안 되면 solve 라 아데마 계속 안서 말래 줘. 다디 age 다 age라 먼저 되었거든 말이. 되었거든 말아. 직 present 직 붙이 되었거다. 직 past present 이거는도 그. 다디 전에 개월다 past present 이거. present 직 보고 갈때 저게 망치던데 말. 다 되었거든 숨어도 갈. 먼저 age나 rational age 그. 제 ratio 가장 등에 스트레스다 규칙들. 든든바 개월라 ratio도 배제 숙청 봐. Okay, the ratio chimana, card, dinner chimana. Theoretic ratio to other. Okay, to need the one ratio ching solve you, and you would kids try chia. Okay, the age of Dawa and Nima are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years hence, the ratio of the ages will be 9:7. Find the present age. Okay, that Dawa Nima. 다와다 니마 오케이 다와 니마 시험에서 let a present age of a dawa be x 니마 be x that y that t and should therefore 5 years later 10 years later then 뭐 티잖아 아주 깔래카도 지난 시계 도스 봐 되게 내시 도스 present past future 야만아 ago later t present that then hint 같은 present and self 단다가도 the ages of dawa and nima are in the ratio 7:5 the ratio 값 같은 confident cut to is confident ma x tilso or y variable t 자 dawa and nima 봐 dawa lo 디나 nima lo nga relar 거 구실로요 마 민구실로요 마 구실로요 마 카톡가도로 니디 안기니알샤 제마 민디 안기 제마 샤오다 인 말이 dawa 7 ratio or 7:5 the dawa and nima. So dawa present age action actions. 5. That's Tony Katuakardo. 10 years hence, the Lochu jealous. 10 years hence, Lochu jealous. Lochu jealous, Lochu chedura, Niga chedura. lochu gel pa nga degi me ka lochu gel ra nga kyama kyanggo char ke chin de ra lochu gel jana lochu gelas lochu parke za tu kusti de 5x plus 10 the ratio is there ratio lo de dos tin dire or you can write 7/5 chibu jinga ratio de ta ko lowest term te me de ba nga dine pa de fractional option dire 제가 positive ratio fraction 때 더대 9:7. 또 권이 로쭉 제가 권이 그 ratio 누르에나 누르도 가서나 9:7 래라. 제가 다웨기 로 7x plus 10 and 니멜로데 5x plus 10 is equal to 9:7 래라 돼. 9:7. 더 deep part 딩 어디서 이게 part 돼. common denominator cross multiply 치라서 cross multiplication 치. the denominator ke ya manipula chi the pa mandu chi de je 7 ki dinni ga juda ten la jur 9 ge 5x plus 10 la jur okay the denominator me cha so denominator cha ba bege mu chi 7 7 49 x plus 70 is equal to 45 x plus 90 that x solution. 49x minus 45x is equal to 90 minus 70. You subtract, we get 4x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 divided by 4. X is equal to 5. Or x5 out there. Confident 5 out. You can confident to what you did. That therefore. Present age is equal to 7. 7 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 35. Nima's age, present age is equal to 5x. 5 multiplied by 5. The ratio is 35 upon 25. Confident you got 5 questions 5 7 35 5 5 75 thing take your answer there is so they want to draw my image land with le orta ratio le lo da the kids ge ratio new try da the present age of Anu and Raju are in the ratio 4:5 tanda ratio the 4:5 race jida sort of 4x ge sort of 5x ge this amount 8 years from now, Tandane logegi jealous. Past do future do this amount. Logegi mount do logegi new. From now, Tandane logegi. The ratio of the ages will be 5:6. 얘들 써보지 섭지 봐라 계속 티아 섭지 보라 새로 말해 라 미시마 땅에 놓은 거 사그라 섭지 보리 때가 디기도 디기면 되다 디기도나 어스 봐야 다 앙지 봐 오케이 야 나 저거 상관 future chasanya de. Okay, got present age of Anu and Raju. Raju. Okay, got present, past, present, and future. To teaching that. Okay, got present age of Anu and Raju are in the ratio 4:5. You know, confirm the equation series. Present Anu 4 in a Raju 5 related. So the common factor the A in the A in the okay 4A and 5A. 8 years later from now, Tandane 8 years after 8 years from now, Tandane lo guess Laura 8 years. Lo guess check do 4A plus 8, then 5A plus 8. Lo guess check do those. The cosine ratio lo guess J ratio need karana and 5:6 leaders. 4A plus 8 upon 5a plus 8 is equal to 5 upon 6 those. Okay. That is cross multiplication class 8 cross multiplication to the. Oh, that's 6 dige you multiply the both terms. Then you multiply to 5. 6 dimension 6 between the 4a plus 8 multiplications. 5 ge 5a plus 8 multiplications. So you get 24a plus 48. 25a plus 40. Then you must solve changing ra. They must solve changing ra class 8. Okay. The ratio difference the fraction to the tower fraction number ration number turn to tower. Can I get them out to the ration numbers? The ration number dollar or fraction. Fraction and ration numbers. Okay. Fraction is the positive number positive rational number is a fraction and God. So rational number test it can be negative rational number or positive rational numbers. When you talk about fraction, it is always positive rational numbers. Fraction the money jara chashi a chashi the Kanza Toy yogi chashi chaturda. So the money positive rational numbers. Okay. That your rational number the fraction could fraction is part of rational number in the bottom rational number stretching that. General rational number, a number in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. Right? Okay, so the number de la rational number la colonials, numerator and okay, denominator. Ni doa, okay, the causing relationship. Then age la pa pugu chojo aja at a the b sitting doji mongo shadwa, ni druga. The chipujan the rational number la numerator and denominator shame. The numerator that denominator kunni bar kewa cheshire and the angi saw card tongo de domina rational number saw card de at the two ningi door tadla. Okay, the rational number token and rational number din Allah to us though. Tua check ni some dot to some nana to da. To some knowing a chick software. I check can do. Okay, thank you. The denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. Then the numerator denominator is. Then the denominator of a rational number. The of a rational number the denominator is greater than its numerator by 8. Okay. Denominator numerator le chedos. 가족 chedo 계기 chedos. 그렇죠 거도 numerator 중요하다. 시계 두스기네. Numerator and denominator. Let numerator be x x denominator ani mangat papa chen x plus 8 yamana numerator and denominator denominator ke assumption x na numerator kare x minus 8 지금 가르치는 키와요 말 되라 equal to there da there that digital assumption is that algebraic expression, rational expression, din allola, is that? Kari instruction karte de dematula. Okay. Then debabina numerator denominator 12 by delay. So okay. That in my if the numerator is increased by 17, increase mountain. Mountain ba domina slash. Domina and denominator is decreased by 1, new dominus. Denominator is decreased by 1. Changes on ang go down so nga decreased by 1. The number obtained ang number is 3 upon 2. Obtained number obtained is is equal to which is equal to is equal to 3 upon 2 characters. Okay. The x plus 17 and x plus 7 is equal to 3 upon 2. Then that 2 2x plus 34, 3x plus 21. Oh, that variable 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 plus minus 34. So negative x is equal to, you subtract, we get negative 13. I'm going to check sign 0. Okay, negative cut. So x is equal to 13. X 13 out there. The x 13 number, therefore the fraction is, or the rational number is numerator is like 13 sha, or denominator 13 plus 8, 21. There out there. Then if method the page to go there. And check sha, things chong sha ne kya yamar. The method page dance lang de ting da. X, the now say karuta. Okay, then x minus 8 upon x is equal to 3 upon 2. The 2 the near jur. Ade is called the instruction you have instruction Martin to the okay. Numerator increased by 17 and denominator decreased by 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. Also x plus you subtract the 9 and x minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. The 2 da. Okay. Now you cross multiply, we get 2x plus 18 is equal to, this is normal sign. Okay, 3x minus 3. The x is equal to 2x minus 3x is equal to 3. And minus 18. So negative x is equal to negative 21. Negative cut, x is equal to 21. The x is denominator 21 real. Numerator consider 21 minus 8 which is equal to 13. So therefore 13 upon 21. So the answer condition solution is okay. Rational number de ko instruction yamu nyendana ko lelawar rational number nalo. Chimana. The rational number 2 kala osum do 그래서 통과. dit right. The then again next fraction do. Fraction do very middle. Okay. This. Okay, that's what come out to say the parting at the touch with that. Concept dimension the boy test lead the 20 okay. The rectangle field cut doesn't money. On the formula she means a cutting concept is that rectangle dinner. A rectangle that changes to. Oh, to this thing that rectangle to Chamajamade. Or rectangle dinner. Or the Nepal length layer, del breadth, the length layer, del breadth. Or perimeter about Tagore the pagan term pay or Tagore the total length of the boundary. Or the Nepal length chick plus breadth, the beach capital plus length plus breadth. All the concept is to go there. Each from another Jumar. 2 bracket L plus B, 2L plus 2B like the Tomar. The Vichana test lower. Thank you to the concept is running at the Duda. The length of rectangular field is thrice its width. That other rectangular length dimension you measure much. Keep the cuboid in the dimension some charur. Cuboid length, breadth, and height in the dimension some charura. Then I was the rectangle machine made among a rectangle to sting. Rheumatic, Shakia, rheumatic, the length, the breadth, the length, the breadth, the skis. Okay, length of rectangle field is thrice its width. Length the rectangle width le dapsum yurelar. This width tungares, length ringares. Dapsum ringares, dapsum ringares. So the width consideration means x length consider 3x chatura. The 3x the x. A rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel. The ones in Tubajare, Nawajare, Tumbajang the back or Gamar. Or rectangle. The Tagore if the perimeter is 55 units, find the length and width of a rectangle. Length and width rectangle says Laura. So the perimeter is 56 units. You know, carrying out meter in meter hour, centimeter, inch, feet in feet hour. Or unit number. You know, that perimeter are Tagore some of them. You didn't about starting 3x plus x plus 3x plus ma x. Domina, Tagore is child. Okay, we get 56. The x in the dom, some gal chick them she gal some dom, gal chick them get 8x is equal to 56. X multiplication, fucking do a chira, Okay, 8 x equals to 8 7 is 56, 7 units right there. Then length kazure. Length is equal to 3 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 21 unit. Breadth kazure is x, right? X is 7 unit. That's the rectangle sanati. Okay. 제가 다른 얘기 topic 전에 겨울 가르쳤나? 당한테 디지트 페이지에 사서 말해. 제가 디지트 디지트 2 웨이브를 고쳐 정도 돼서 레라 차도요. 오케이. 제가 다른 아주 장게데 age number system 같이 말해 age number ratio 세단 도래 ratio 카드 같은 configure x 샤 or variable a b variable 샤라. 제가 ratio로 치니 맞아 age 세단 장어. 라. 근데 맞아 ratio 치니 number value 세단 장어다. 근데 ratio 치니 맞아 numerator ratio number 세단 장어. Okay, that then also age ke fathers 5 years, 10 years ago did test out. Okay, that then did related kine the rectangle. That guessing a area cell to the for example, find area na. The rectangle did also length breadth also an area. Therefore area is length multiplied by breadth. I shall get you 21 multiplied by 7. Multiply we get 147 unit square or square unit. This part should unit carry square tangra. Okay. This was the right. Class 8. I just topic that what problem they say you say me the mark to do. Then but never doing a topic seeing us sit at diesel party chair. And because you and tongue to it on the net and watching the new because somebody try to get you. Mashina Malakadu deviation to watch. Wrong Facebook that one Kadu deviation. Intimation gauge, right? And Mutan download issue in the tropic cow. Do not Jamadala, I didn't buy the exponent to ye. And to give a topic what you were getting. Then you give mix a pen of chairs into Mata, and then you give out of the Marco Tensuku, and Jamasa chain le lord. And then to Guadala, my decimal to ye. Then I decimal money Johnson, Marim John's house. Right? Then to what Tom's tendency, the Tom's tendency that success pronouncing that decimal. Yeah, and bye bye.